Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting your Facebook account permanently. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. You would just want to completely delete your account and all of your data on Facebook. Please keep in mind that Facebook does store some background information, at least for a certain period of time, in which you can read about it in their terms of service. But for all intents and purposes, if you're looking to delete your Facebook profile, this tutorial will be for you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and then select your profile icon on the top right. It says account when you hover over it. Left click on that and then select settings and privacy. And then underneath settings and privacy, select the settings gear icon right there. Now underneath accounts center, select password and security on the left side. And now on the left side again, underneath account settings, select personal details. And then underneath account ownership and control on the right side, manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. Select that. Select the deactivation or deletion option and then select your profile account. Select the second option that says delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Select continue, and then you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.